Yo, what's going on guys? Today I'll be doing something a little bit different than my usual videos. I was challenged to help someone build a PC with mostly used parts and thought, why not share this with you guys? My friend wanted something compact and powerful enough to play games with. This Optiplex 390 has 6 USB 2.0, an Ethernet, HDMI, VGA, microphone and aux output. I got this Dell Optiplex 390 for free, so I thought, why not use it for this build? It wouldn't be fair to not include the price, so I scoured eBay and came up with an average price of $160. This PC is equipped with a whopping 4 gigs of RAM, an i3 2120, a 250 watt power supply, and a massive 320 gig hard drive. This computer only has one 80mm intake fan and no room for an exhaust fan. The fan is blowing directly onto the hard drive, which blocks the airflow quite a bit, and under the hard drive caddy we find mounting spots for an SSD, which is convenient. I couldn't get any games that run except for Fortnite, which ran at a staggering 2 FPS. Here are the parts we'll be throwing into this PC, starting with an i5 2500, a Kingston 120GB SSD, an Amazon USB Wi-Fi adapter, 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM, and a GTX 1050 Ti 4GB low profile, which comes with a low profile bracket. What's great about this video card is not only the low profile design, but the lack of external power required, as it pulls all its power from the motherboard. Installing the included low profile bracket is simple. There's only 2 screws by the DVI port and 2 screws attached to the corners of the PCB. This case was super easy to work in. The whole thing was toolless, and removing these covers on the PCI ports were super simple. Alright, let's play some games! Not bad actually. Let's pop in the new i5 2500 and see if that makes a difference. The thermal paste that was originally applied years ago dried out and turned crusty. Definitely not optimal. Just making sure none of the pins are bent. And I'll be using some Noctua thermal paste. I'll also be throwing in the SSD while we have the case open. Overall, I think this was a pretty solid build for just under $500 US, or $648 Canadian. And as always, if you liked the video, you already know what to do. Thanks for watching.